back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. What I'm seeing are these denim jackets from Scoop. It has that mid-size collar, it's a zip, the 2 flat pockets, drop sleeve, relax through the wrist. It's lined on the inside. It is a shorter boxy fit. This is the 2XL. There's the extra small, and then it has that same kind of fit through the back. They are going to be $28. Also new Dolman tee from Scoop. So these have that higher neckline. It has that banded side. Also the ruching on the side, and it scoops in the middle. The back has that same kind of fit. These are really stretchy. In the white, and they're going to be $18. Also new cargo pant from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband. It's a 12 material. That side pocket with the jogger, or you could do a straight leg bottom. There is that sateen look, and then the back has the flat pockets. So parachute jogger, ankle length, and it comes in the camel, also in that olive, and they're $22. New sleeveless sweater dresses from Free Assembly. So they have that higher neckline. They're sleeveless, fitted through the body. It's a midi length, that same kind of fit through the back. And then the white trim detailing at the top, and then also on the sides in the green and white, also in black and white, and they are going to be $30. Tier dresses from Time and True. So these have the thin strap, square neckline, has that drop tier, flows, and then that same fit through the back. And the green also comes in this black and white zebra, and they're $16.98. No Boundaries ribbed flared pants. So these have that high rise. They're super soft and stretchy, fitted through, flared at the bottom with the lettuce trim, that same through the back. They have these new tags, and they're going to be $7.98. They also have in this soft microfiber material the camo. So there's that same high rise with the flare. They also come in that black star, solid black, and then in the waffled material, the gray and black. Long sleeve tops from Time and True. So these have that smock neckline. It has that side seam detailing, this little ruched trim with the tie, and then also elastic in the waist with the peplum, elastic on the wrist, and then it continues around the back. That's what the material looks like up close. So it's kind of like a linen textured. In the yellow, also comes in pink. There's men and white, and they're $19.98. Blouses from Sofia Vergara. So this one has that wrap style front, elastic on the wrist. It's a relaxed fit. I guess they're getting ready for fall with the smocking in the back. In this brown floral, also comes in the solid black, and they are $24. Wash in the Sophia jeans. So how cute are these? It's a thicker denim. You guys know I love the Melissa Flare. They're high rise. They have just a little bit of whiskering. The finished bottom in this new light chambray. It's perfect for summer if you don't like wearing shorts. And I think that's it. And these are going to be $24. There's another online only halter neck dress from Time and True. So it ties around the neck, comes up higher, it's sleeveless, has the elastic in the waist, tears all the way down in the eyelet material, and then elastic with the belt. So I'll have this one linked down below. Pretty. Rompers from No Boundaries did pop up online. So they have the thin strap, that scoop neckline. It's a stretchy t-shirt material at the top, and then a windbreaker short. Has the cargo style pockets with the toggle, and then that same kind of fit through the back. They are $13.48. I did see them in another color. New seamless crop top. So these are more like bralettes. They have that banded bottom. They do have removable pads and squared in the back. In the light blue, they also have red, black, and white. And these are going to be $5.98. Cinch strap dresses from Time and True. So these have the plunging V, this little tie detail, elastic in the waist, a flowy skirt. And then it's the same fit through the back. They are going to be $16.98. Cargo pants from Celebrity Pink. So this has the drawstring waist, the side pocket, also the flat pocket through the leg, the toggle bottom so you can make it jogger or straight leg, and then pockets on the back. In this camel color, and they are $21.50. Also online only dress from Time and True. So this one has the ruffled neckline, the split V, elastic at the waist. It's a poplin material, flowy skirt, and then it also ties in the back. We saw this one in the green before, and I'm pretty sure they're under $19. So new color in this tier dress from Free Assembly. So it has the elastic strap, square neckline, seam detailing, tiers all the way down, nice and flowy, with the smocking in the back. And they're going to be $32. Comes in the green. They also have the blue, and I'm pretty sure it also comes in white. In the puff sleeve sweater from Free Assembly. So these have that higher neckline, the little shoulder detail, short sleeve, full button down with that ribbed bottom. We saw the ivory. Now it comes in this red, and we also saw the navy. So new color is going to be red, and they're $22. Pull on fitted jeggings from Sofia Vergara. So these are a high rise. They have the rip at the knee, fitted through the ankle, and then no pockets on the back, and they're $19.50. Colors in this acid wash dress. So these have that crew neckline, the one pocket, nice longer sleeve. We saw it in the tie-dye, so now they have these new vintage wash colors in the black. There's also pink. They have rust and navy, and they're $13.98. Wide leg crop twill pants from Time and True. These are high rise. They have the pork chop pocket. They're flowy through the leg. This is what the material looks like on the inside. And then pockets on the back. They're $19.98. They also come in that beige. Free people look for less from AVIA. So these have the thick strap, scoop neckline, banded waist. It's a flowy windbreaker short, and it does have the lining on the inside. The back has that crisscross with the zippered pocket. In the lavender also comes in olive, and they're $24.98. Windbreaker jackets from AVIA. So these have that mock neck when it's zipped up all the way. It's a flowy material, has that elastic wrist with the zippered pockets. Also has this toggled bottom, and then the hood in the back, the same detail. So perfect for summer, very lightweight, but gonna be good when it's raining. Comes in the beige, also in the black, and they are $19.98. And then to match, they have the shorts. These have an elastic waistband, side pockets, the same material, but they do have that lining on the inside. So that's what it looks like. In the black, and then also in the beige. And the shorts are $12.98. Also have this new belted short from AVIA. So these have the little like buckle, snap buckle, side pocket, has this little cargo pocket, and then no pockets in the back. And the black also comes in beige, and they're $16.98. And in that same style, they have these new joggers from AVIA. So they have that same kind of buckle. It's a windbreaker material, the side pocket with the cargo pockets, toggle at the bottom, and then no pockets in the back. And the olive also comes in the beige, and these are $21.98. Style shorts from Athletic Work. So these have that elastic waistband, side pocket. They are lined on the inside, but now they have the little mesh side. Seam detailing in the back with the zippered pocket. In the green, they also have watermelon. They have this black stripe and light yellow, and they're $9.98. Mesh shorts from Athletic Works. These have that elastic waistband with the drawstring, side pocket. They are lined. This is the extra large, there's the medium, so they look like they are true to size. In the gray with the white, there's beige with the white, the black, and they are going to be $8.98. And then they have this style, so it's the all mesh, same style with the drawstring, side pocket with the little slit. In the green, they also have lavender, there's teal, and they are $8.98. And also new sleeveless tops from Athletic Works. They have that higher neckline, sleeveless to relax fit. This is the small. And then it has the little cutout in the back. In the oatmeal, they also have lavender and charcoal. And they are $8.98. Sleeveless tops from Reebok. These have that higher neckline. They're super soft, like a microfiber material with this watercolor logo. They also have that orange, The gray and green has the watercolor look, and then also the black. And these are $14, and then to match they have these shorts with the bike shorts, so they come up. Elastic waistband in the black, also comes in the green, coral color, and blue, and they are $20. The color in the side, like they're always folded in these boxes, but they're called the performance leggings, and the material's a little different. So I think we saw them for the first time last week. Now they have this brown color. So there's capri, there's 7/8 crop, there's fashion, I think that's straight leg, and then legging. They're $15.98. That brown color is new. The light gray I think is new. We saw this charcoal. There's solid black, and then there's also the camo print, but that's what the material looks like up close. They also have these new ruched leggings. So these look like a high rise. They're that super soft kind of stretchy microfiber material. So they have the ruching on the waist. They're $8.98. They have that brown. So some new colors in the bike shorts from Athletic Work. So these are a thicker legging material. They have this side pocket. They're $10.98. So now they have pink. They also have that orange is new. They also have in that same color the pink tees from Athletic Work. So these have that V neckline, relaxed fit, and they're $6.98. They also have orange, but it's not the exact same color. Tee also comes in gray, white. They have the teal, just like the shorts, and the black. I think this pink also looks like it matches. This one's from AVIA. It has the thinner straps, and these are $13.98. Also comes in the orange. Also new prints in the satin nightgowns from Joy Spun. So these have the thin strap, that scoop neckline, sitting fit through the back, and they're $10.98 in this new lime zebra. They also have this black floral. They have a black kind of cheetah print. In those same prints, they have the little tank and short. So these have the thin strap, the scoop neckline. It's a flowy fit, and then it's the wrap style back. Shorts have the elastic waistband. They have that high cut on the ends. In the black, also in this black leopard. I think we saw that one before. And they are $12.98. So to match back to the No Boundary sleep tees, now they have the shorts. We saw the cargo sweatpants. So these are a inside out fleece material. They have the side pocket. In the black, they also have purple. There's mint and pink. That's what they look like. And they are $9.98. Nice licensed night shirts. These have that crew neckline. It's oversized fit. There's the large. There's the medium in Garfield. These are really soft. They also have stitched. And Garfield. And these are, let's see a price, but they'll be linked down. Oh, $12.98. And then they also have the pants in the same kind of prints. So it's that same soft material. They have the elastic waistband in the Garfield, also in stitch. And the pants are $12.98. Cute are these new button downs from George. So they have that smaller collar, full button down, the one pocket. There's like a linen texture. Only $12.98. They also have this floral print. They have, oh my goodness, I need this. This little Arizona. They have a red, white, and blue. A little surfer print. A gray and white linen. Cute Dr. Pepper graphic tees now. Fresh sarcasm served daily. I think we saw that last week. And New Jersey tees. This is the last Walmart shop with me that I'll be in New Jersey for a while because I am moving back to Florida. I will be back because I have family here to film the good stuff when the coats start coming out. One's kind of cute. They're $8.98. This store is the only store that I've been to that has these soccer jackets. So they have Mexico, they have USA, there's Barcelona, Paris, These are $29.48. These are all, even these pop ones are all $12.98. How fun is that? A new striped one piece from Time and True. So these have the adjustable strap, square neckline, fitted through the body, and then it is a fuller back. It says full coverage, and they are $26.98. So a new black one piece from Time and True. So this one has the plunging V, crisscrosses in the back. It is a sewn-in cups, adjustable straps. These are $26.98. It ties. Get a nice fit. Floppy hat from Time and True. So this one has this little cord detail and then a fringe. The material feels really nice on this one, and they'll be linked down below. Also have a few new baseball caps from Time and True. So how cute is the beige pickleball? They've always had the bad hair day, and then beach vibes is now. Little embroidered, it looks like a paw print. New summer earrings from Packed Party. So they have the new cowboy boots. How cute is the little bikinis? These are all $6.92. The little ice creams, the cowboy hats are now the shells. They also have the little visors, bananas. There's a crystal hoop, the ice cream trucks, and then a little cocktail, and the seahorses are also new. And then they also have new hair barrette sets, so you get 3 for $6.92. Howdy. A little pineapple and hibiscus. And then there's one tweed headband. Oh my goodness, how cute is the little shell with the pearl. And then an ice cream hair clip. Pretty is this new earring set from Belay by Brilliant. So you get the little studs, the butterfly studs, and then a little butterfly drop. They are $15.94. Slingbacks from Time and True. So these have that round toe. They have the buckle detail with the chunky heel. These are going to be $19.98. So new from Time and True are these sneakers. So they have the round toe, the metallic stripe, rubbered bottom, and these are $19.98. High tops from, these are from Ground Up. So they have the round toe lace up, and they're $28. One has Jack, one has Sally, and then they also have a new Stitch sneaker, and these are $25. So seeing the gold slides for the first time in store. So these are from Madden NYC. They have that squared toe, this little cutout detail, and they're $24. Have the Time and True heels in the black. These are very rare, so I had to share them. But they have that squared toe, the one band, and the ankle strap. They're $22.98. We always see them in this beige color. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.